Hey everybody, it's your girl Mimi of Mimi's Mocha Treats, and today I'm going to show the ladies how to make this sweet buttercream cake for the man in your life. Let's get to it. Now, rumor has it that a way to a man's heart is through his stomach, and this maple bacon with cinnamon maple buttercream cake recipe is a sure way to make his belly happy. I promise to leave the recipe in the description box below so you can create this flavor combination and cake design for your loved one. Great additions to simple buttercream cakes include macarons, meringues, chocolates, and sugar flowers. Here I added the same cinnamon maple buttercream to the center of my macarons. To complete the cake, I added some simple red dragées to add a little something and pop to the final design. And here you go, ladies, the completed cake. I'm sure your man will love the flavors that resemble lazy Sunday morning breakfast. And as you know, you definitely need to make sure that you treat him special on Valentine's Day too. If you enjoyed this video and wish to see more, please remember to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We look forward to sharing more videos with you. Thanks for looking.